as one of the best teams in the league on both ends of the floor. It all comes down to this. The four best pilots will go head to head. You guys were in control right from the start tonight. What impressed you most about the way you came out this time? Well, Donovan, good teams always find a way. What did you find down the stretch?
Just attacking the rim.
Welcome back inside Vivint Smart Home Arena. Kristen Kenny alongside Big T. And is it like, Joel, being back here?
You know, it's great looking down there.
Do you feel like you've always had to prove yourself?
Yeah, I've always felt the need.
Memphis is packing the paint, which means the Jazz are getting those open looks. You guys were talking about that. So the message really is no hesitation. Keep shooting. It'll eventually fall. A double-double for you. What kind of statement were you trying to make before you head to Chicago?
Wanted to go on a break on a win.
Here it's coming, guys. We're here at Dirtfish Rally School, and I have been dying to get in a rally car all season long, and this is my chance. With me, I have my driver, Bucky Lasek. Hey, you ready? Heart is racing. 3, 2, 1. Now let's trade seats. Good morning, teams.
Good morning.
I'm your host, Kristen Kenny, and welcome to Montego Bay, Jamaica. The losers will face off in our Every Second Counts Elimination Challenge. Are you guys ready for this?
Yeah.
All right, let's go to the course. To give you a sense of the terrain that these contestants have to navigate through. Woo! Watch out for branches. The Jazz focusing on the defending MVP, James Harden. A big key coming into tonight was keeping him off the free throw line. The last two outings, the Jazz have held him to about 6 free throw attempts on average. You have to do a lot of things right to beat the world champs, and that starts with team defense. The Jazz were successful the last time against the Warriors, limiting their threes, but this is the best team offensively in the league, and they will make runs. Donovan, you told me last night you weren't happy with your line. How about tonight?
Not too bad. A little bit happier. Man, we played well.
In the fourth quarter, Gordon going up for that dunk. What was going through your mind at that moment when you got that big block?
Either I was going to be on ESPN for getting dunked on or blocking the shots.
For you, offensively, we see that aggression taking it to another level, that hook shot, just those putbacks, the rebounds. What is your mindset? What's the difference offensively for you?
I don't know.
Pre-game, you shocked all of us with that throwdown, that dunk. We didn't know you could get up like that. Is that something you're going to add to your repertoire?
I feel real good right now, so there's a lot more of that coming.
You talked to me about working on that Steve Nash search dribble. We saw a little bit of that tonight. What do you think?
Yeah, that was my favorite point of the game, not going to lie to you.
Your teammates, you guys are so close. You have that bond. Donovan Mitchell wearing the shoes tonight with the flag of Australia on it, supporting your home country. What does it mean to have a teammate like that doing that?
Oh, it's unreal. I didn't know he was doing it till a few days ago, and obviously what our country's going through at the moment is devastating. And
all right, well, tonight, the challenge is on. The last game before All-Star break. Can the Jazz turn down the heat? We find out. Lineups and tip-off next on AT&T Sportsnet.